Let's talk about what you and I both have here in front of us.
Dude, yours looks amazing.
Yours looks good too.
You got a lao.
So we got a little lao, yeah, and a little Kahlua pork.
I got local here. An egg on top of
Yeah, here it is.
burger patty, slathered in gravy.
Yeah.
This is char siu, dude. Pork. This my. She said this is Christ.
That looks really good.
Oh, let's go.
Oh
Yes, look it.
Anytime you go back to Hawaii, what's the first thing you have to eat?
Tell you, every time I go, I stop at Zippy's. Zippy's is like our local McDonald's almost. It's like a restaurant, but you can sit down in some of them, but some of them are just like takeaway from the counter. They have a killer Simon. They have a killer, it's called a zip pack. It's like spam no soupy, rice, teriyaki beef, teriyaki chicken. Oh, it's around it. Those are, and they got a chili rice there too. That's killer.